Miss Koyal. Today we are going to discuss divisibility rule, and these rules are applicable when you want to do calculations or divisions quickly. So today we are going to discuss rule for 2, rule for 3 and rule for 4. Very important and very useful in doing the calculations much more faster. Okay, so I'll be giving you few questions also along with the explanation. You can pause the video, answer in the comment section below, and then play the video to check your answers. Great, I hope everybody has understood. Okay, so let us start. First is rule for 2. But do you let us understand it with the help of an example. Example, let us say I'm having a number 3 4 6 7 8 9 2 1 3 4, such a big number. Okay, I have taken such a big number, and if I'll be doing it by the traditional method of dividing it by 2, it will take too long to solve. So what will I do? For the shortcut, what you can do is you will just look at the number at ones place. I hope all of you know what are ones place. This is ones, tens, hundred. I have already explained it in my previous video. So you will look at the number at ones place only, and if the number at ones place is even, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Okay, so that means the number at, the rule is the number at ones place. I hope all of you know what is ones place. Should be what it should be, it should be even. Okay, it should be even for checking for divisibility of 2. Okay, and even numbers are, what are the even numbers? Let me tell you: 0 2 4 6 8, the numbers which come in the table of 2. Okay, so the you will check only at the number at ones place, and it should be even. Okay, even numbers are these. Now I'm giving you a question. You're going to pause the video, think about it and solve it. The question is 1 5 6 7 8 9 2 divisible by 2? Yes or no? Tell me in the comment section below. Is this number divisible by 2? Pause the video right now and tell the answer, yes or no. I'm giving you time. Very good. So this number, we will look at the number at ones place. The number is 2 and it is divisible by 2. Hence the answer is yes. Absolutely correct. Very good. Now the next rule. Next is for 3. I am taking the same number. 3 4 5 6 7. Let us take this much. Okay, for 3, what you need to do is you're going to add all the digits. So it will become 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. The total become is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25. The sum is coming out 25. Does this number 25 come in the table of 3? No. Is it divisible by 3? No. So what you're going to do is you're going to add all the numbers, and the sum that comes out, you will check this number and you will get to know whether this number is divisible by 3 or not by checking the table of 3. 25 do not come in the table of 3. Hence this whole number is not divisible by 3. Correct? So what is the rule? Rule is sum of all the digits of the given number should be divisible by 3. Okay? If not, then the number is not divisible by 3. Now I'm giving you a question. You can pause the video. You can note down in a notebook. The question is 3 6 9 8 2 is divisible by 3? Tell me yes or no. Pause the video, think and let me know. Done? Very good. So let us check. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. And 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 do not come in the table of 3. Hence the number is not divisible by 3. Okay, see, we have done a 5-digit number divisible by 3 in few seconds only. You just need to add numbers. Clear? Now the rule for 4. Rule for 4 says, let me take an example over here. 1 4 3 5 2 6. Okay, rule for 4 says you will look at the last two numbers only. You will look at the last two numbers. If these two numbers come in the table of 4, like 26 come in the table of 4, this whole number will be divisible by 4, otherwise not. So the rule is the last two digits should be divisible by 4. If it is, then yes. If it is not, then no. Now the question for you is 5 7 8 9 2 4 3 2 divisible by 4? Yes or no? Pause the video, think and let me know. Very good. Yes, it is divisible. Last two numbers are 32 and 32 do come in the table of 4. Hence, it is divisible. See, we have done such a big number by 4 in like few seconds. If you know the rule, you can do it very easily. Okay, so I hope all the three rules are clear. Rule for 2, rule for 3 and rule for 4. If you want, you can pause the video and note down whatever you want to note. Okay, let's move to the next rule. Next rule is for 5, divisibility rule. Rule for 5, very easy rule. If I am having a number, let us say 1 5 6 7 8 9, I will look at only the ones place and the number should be either 0 or 5. That's it. If the rule is, if the number at ones place is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5, and if not, then no. The number should be either 0 or 5. So the question for you is 5 6 7 8 9 2 0 divisible by 5? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? I'm giving you time, think and answer. Yes, because the number at ones place is 0. I hope you like the rules. I'll explain more in the next video. Till then, see you.